Happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. I'm about to make 6 cocktails on an airplane, using only ingredients I can get on an airplane.
We have clearance, Clarence.
Roger. What's our vector, Victor?
So let's get this thing started.
Basement bartender.
We'll start off light with a Flight 75. Normally, a French 75 is gin, lemon juice, simple syrup, and champagne. I'm using gin, white wine, and Sprite. Mix it up, close your eyes, and you'll definitely be reminded of this classic drink.
And that, as much as anything else, led to my drinking problem.
Next is a United Sunset. A Malibu Sunset is typically coconut rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, and Grenadine. I'll be using rum, orange juice, Sprite, and a little cranberry juice. The hard part about mixing drinks on a plane is the lack of measuring devices, so you may need to adjust the ratios to suit your taste. And you may need to adjust more than once. But once you find that right ratio, you can make some pretty tasty beverages. Next up, a Sangria flight. Instead of red wine, sugar, and fruit, I'll be using red wine, orange juice, and cranberry juice. This one is cool and refreshing with a low ABV. It's perfect to sip on before taking a nice in-flight nap.
You know what they say? See a broad to get that booty yak 'em. Leg her down or smack 'em, yak 'em. Cold got to be. Yo.
Coming up, my Takeoff On A Mudslide. A little bit of Bailey's, vodka, and coffee creamer will go a long way on this one. My flight was out of Kahlua, but a little more vodka will get you all the way to your final destination. When the plane gets a little chilly, add sugar to hot tea, some Tennessee whiskey, and single malt scotch. Because let's face it, it's always cold on a plane. And finally, my personal in-flight favorite.
Would you like a little whiskey, ma'am?
Certainly not.
Bourbon and ginger. Mix bourbon and ginger ale for the perfect in-flight cocktail that will not only taste good, but the combination of soda water and ginger will help calm your stomach during turbulence. Just keep in mind that the person next to you may also want some. Flick those buttons and we'll see you next time.